Hello, Glam Squad. Chucky has stopped by. He wants you to know he's your best friend. And I want you to know this is Glam Tones. My name is Gigi. These are some of the things we're going to be using today to create some super easy nails. These are so fun, so easy, and so Halloweeny. So we're going to come in with this cat eye polish. I'm not going to make the cat eye thing. I'm just going to make the little particles flip over so they've got that pinky tone. Look how pretty that is. We're going to use this color, and then we've also got this really pretty, I don't know, it's kind of a cross between a slate blue and a midnight blue. I think it might just be those little silver particles though that's giving it kind of that slate vibe. And you can see how they flip over as you just sort of run that that magnet near them. Now these next three are going to get the ombre treatment, and you know I'm going to show you both. I'm going to show you both the ombres because you like it, and it does actually, when you get to that second coat, that's where you really see the magic, right? The first coat can sometimes look a little funky, but then you trust the process and you get to that second coat, and that's where it really looks good. Let's just watch this ombre process. Now we are going to go ahead and do some decorating. We're going to use this Beauty Big Bang plate and this really cute jack-o'-lantern pattern. It's got the little jack-o'-lanterns, and then it's got a lot of greenery. So I thought I would give it a try and just see if I could make it work, where I put down the orange and then put down the green and scraped it to see how it looked. And it's not perfect, right? You can see a little bit of the orange outside of the jack-o'-lantern, but not so much that I didn't like it. So I went on ahead and went with it. I kind of dig it, and I think I'm going to use that technique for something on Friday. So if you've not subscribed, go ahead and click the button because you don't want to miss it. Now, I did a full nail of that jack-o'-lantern pattern. Then we did zombie hands. Now we did another jack-o'-lantern, and this one's my favorite, actually. It's a spider eye. Oh, I love it! And the pinky nail I matched to the middle finger. Now we're gonna go ahead and top coat these, and that's gonna be the finished set, guys. Very easy, very effective, very Halloween-y. I absolutely adore this set. I think it came out adorably. That's why I adore it, because it's adorable. Oh my God. Sorry, I'm gonna turn my goober way down. Gooberness way down. I'm using that 7-star top coat. It's very shiny. I like it a lot, but I did find that it needed a second coat to be fully shiny. Not sure if that was something I did wrong, but after a 60-second cure, this is the finished set. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.